What's good, my dudes? Welcome to my video. So today I'm going to Moira's wedding in Tagaytay, and it's gonna be kind of a surprise because I told her I wasn't coming. Sorry, it's a little bumpy. Anyways, I told her I wasn't coming, but I told her manager that I was coming, so I was able to RSVP secretly. So hindi niya alam na pupunta ako. Tapos kahapon, she was texting me. She was asking me if I'm coming or not because they have to know. I told her secret. I don't know yet. So she probably hates me so much right now, but let's see what her reaction will be. I'll try to cover as much of the wedding later, pero I can't promise because syempre they want it private and they want it, you know, intimate, I guess. Pero tignan natin what I can put in this video. Anyways, please do like, subscribe, and I just said subscribe. Please do like and comment down below. I don't know, tweet me at Inigo, at @1Inigo Pascual. Instagram me at Inigo Pascual. Whatever, doesn't matter. Just watch this video. Alright, love you. What's up?
We're ready.
We're ready. We're here.
Moy moy, we're ready.
We're ready, moy moy. So,
Diyan din ang
hindi
reception.
kinaya na sasakyan kong bumaba. So, nakisakay na lang ako. Ganda ni Miss Sinso. 별빛이 내린다.
Ang ganda ni Ate Sinso.
Si Camille Prats, oh.
Ang grabe siya.
Wow, akala ko si Ate Madge.
Si Kim K yan.
별빛이 내린다.
Kim K. Uy, Kim K
Kim K?
yan.
Kim K.
Ang kapatid ni
Alan K.
Alan K.
K.
Ganyan. Miss Venezuela
Pag
ko
nakita mo ang balakang yan,
Ang
Kim
benta
K.
talaga nung Kim.
Kim K. Si May Catriona yun.
Ay, Miss Chubby! Miss Chubby! Siya po yung nasa video ng Miss Chubby.
Grabe.
I-promote mo nga.
Ayoko.
Ganda ni Ate Keizo. Ay. Buti na lang dala ko yung couch ko.
Gusto kong magsimula. Gusto talaga. I think you have a very, very pretty handler.
I think
It's right here.
Kim K. Kumuha niya sa Ate Madge.
Ay, Madge.
Hello, go.
Yeah.
Diyan mo po na Thais.
With Pochi. Ang aking kapatid.
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 Twin.
Twin pala. Kasi pares kami ng po.
The same soul.
So yan po ang ka-soulmate ko pala. KTV po talaga yung pinunta namin dito.
Layo po nung binunta namin para pag-videoke.
Video ka ba?
Videoke.
Ready ka nang umiyak?
Patay.
Hindi na. Baka si Kuya TJ unang umiyak.
Kaya may shades ako eh.
Ako rin eh.
Pag wedding.
Ready to cry? Sir Albert? Miss Reg? Pili ko na paparazzi tuloy ako.
Dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman.
Galing, sobrang nasa tono ka.
Dahil lang minsan
Anipis.
ay magpakailan.
Oh, may simple ka today ah.
Mori.
lumabas siya ngayon. Hi, Mariset.
Hindi pala kumunta ni Kim.
Yeah.
Yung totoo kay TJ.
I'd like to ask all the members of the entourage,
Gutom na kami.
National artist.
Parang wala naman pong araw pero naka-shades. Bawas na. Shades na rin ako.
Guys, alam mo na ito. Attend kayong kasama. Bit-bit ka na siya.
Dapat di ko nabibig.
Kasi meron.
I vow to you that even if I can be too independent sometimes, that I will submit to you. There's a fear in my eyes when I see you, while tomorrows appear in a blink. Fearing there'll be a day when I will awake and I wouldn't find you near. And when our time here has ended, and when our time here has ended, and God asks me what I had been through, I will lay at His feet all our victories and thank Him for giving me you. I'll always thank Him for giving me you. Through battles won and fears overcome, I found a faithful one. Through highs and lows, you will never be alone. Forever and always, my forever and always, forever and always, I love you, my home. I love you.
First time mo.
Nakatapos naman ng first kiss ng couple at medyo yung pictorial ay nahihirapan kumuha ang mga photographers dahil biglang nawala ng kuryente dito sa kanilang much-awaited na wedding ng Moira and Jason. Yes. May tanong ka, kabayan?
Mga anong oras daw may babalik ang kuryente? May balita na ba?
Yes.
Yes, inaasahan na bago mag-reception ay bumalik ang power, no? Pero sa ngayon, tumutulong muna lahat ng mga umattend sa pamamagitan ng pagbubukas ng kanilang mga phones. So, tuloy ang ligaya, kabayan. Woo! Okay, kabayan, balik sa'yo sa studio. Bye.
Cameraman.
Ready?
Alam mo naman ang phone ko, medyo delayed din.
Huwag naman kayong bumalik.
Tumayo ka kasi para maiba naman.
Okay, go na, game na.
Wait lang, wait.
Nakakaiyak. Yes, kabayan, nagkaroon na ng konting kuryente dito ng mga nasa 20% tinataya na 20%. Ayan, 85% pa kayo.
Pasensya na po
Sa studio,
kayo
bye.
dahil po sa walang iwanan po ng pambayad si Jason sa Meralco. Let's give a big round of applause to our Ninos!
This is it. Malissimoy. Mr. and Mrs. Hernandez.
Jason Hernandez.
That's right. I failed to take a selfie with the couple, but I'll try to get another one later. There were too many people. I was too shy. Kahit nagpipictorial, kumakain, gutom na po sila. Kasi Keiko, hinahanap ang kanyang forever.
Sa Lost and Found.
Sa Lost and Found.
Nandun sa taas. Ikaw ba? Nasaan ang forever mo?
Nasa tadhana. Nasa tagpuan. Wow!
Wow.
I have the cutest seatmate.
See, I'm not used to you with like normal.
Say hi. Say hi.
No,
Hi, seatmate.
crazy hair. So those are all things you never colored your hair.
Say hi. Say hi. I have the best seatmate.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Was good. I forgot to make an outro earlier at the wedding, so I'm making an outro now before I go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Moira and Jason, congratulations. It was so magical seeing you guys become one. Stay in love, stay happy, stay healthy, and we all can't wait for the next step, which is having babies. I can't wait for little singing Moira and Jason walking around. So yun, Moira, I love you. Thanks for being one of my bestest friends ever. And you know, it was just so amazing to witness this day. I know you've been waiting for it your whole life. Kaya naman, I'm so happy that it finally happened. I love you, Moira and Jason, and congratulations to you guys. Sa mga lahat ng nanood ng video to, maraming salamat. I hope you guys cried as much as we did. I tried to get as much as footage as I could, but you know, I also wanted to be in the moment and really watch the wedding. So, yun, sana nag-enjoy naman kayo, sana nagustuhan nyo. If you guys have any comments, comment down below. Please do like, subscribe, and thanks for watching this video. I just want to make a quick shout out to my new digital manager, Ate Juday, and of course Audrey for bugging me every day to make videos. So, pasalamatan natin sila dahil kung wala sila, I wouldn't be making this video right now. And I know I always say every year that I would go back on YouTube, but I always fail because I don't do it consistently. But I feel like with their help, this time I feel like this is it. This is the one. I'm gonna be back on YouTube consistently, and I'm gonna be making good content. And syempre, I just want to make a quick shout out then to Ate Rina. She was my digital manager before. We're still friends, you know, nothing bad happened. We just had to really find our own passion siguro. And yun, you guys should follow all of them on their Instagram accounts. It's gonna be right here. Papahirapan natin si Ate Juday mag-edit. Tignan natin kung magagawa niya. Na joke lang. Anyways guys, I hope you
Enjoy this video. We're almost at the destination sa Tagpuan 2019. And yun, please enjoy this video. Please enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Nagmamakaawa pa.